how to choose a template in Lovable. In order to do that, you first need to head over to lovable.dev and then sign in into your account. As of right now, we already signed in. So from there, you can just scroll down. And under this, you can see this from the community options. We can discover right here some templates created by people currently on the Lovable website. So for example, you wish to use this particular part, you can click on this remix option. What this will do is it will create a duplicate for you. So you can find it right here under the project page that I have just made using the remix option. You can see in here the live preview of that. You can ask Lovable to make some changes. You can see in here the market pulse. You can change in here the name as well as change the actual elements that has been added right here. So if you're interested and you've already made some changes, head over and click on this publish option. Click on this publish in order to publish this particular template that we have created. So that's how you choose a template in Lovable. I hope this video helped you out.